YouTube, this is Dal from DaretoBeCreative. Thanks for stopping by my channel and seeing what we have today. And I'd like you to welcome you, and please sign up and subscribe so you can see more videos from me, and check out also the crafty ones, not just the haul ones. But I do both on my channel. And so today I do have a haul, a mixture. And first I want to start out with these magnets. I keep forgetting to show you. My sister, she always does those stuff online where you answer questions, surveys and stuff, and she gets free. She do a lot of stuff online with the survey stuff, and to get the magazine, she get free products, and she get the review stuff before it come out. But anyway, so she got me some free magazines, subscriptions for harvesting, and for like to do glue books and stuff, and art journaling. And so out of the list, I told her L and Bizarre only because I was thinking of like the size of the pictures, to fit into the journal size that I usually do is a 9x12. So I thought these might be better. And so they were on delay. They've been backed up for, I don't know, anyway. So she contacted them and they agreed to extend my deadline, I think by a month or two, because I think it's like in November or whenever it was I'm supposed to start. I don't know when it was. But anyway, January, February, I think I'm missing. So they're going to extend my thing, give me past the year end date, because they never submitted it. They claim they didn't have the right address or some stuff, but whatever. I got them. They're free. I ain't paid for them, so hey, she did the work, and she gave me the magazines because she already has a ton of them that she uses. Well, anyway, I just want to show you that. So, if you ever do those things like that, you can, I know there's other ways that people have surveys and different ways that you can get free magazines for harvesting, but it beats having to pay, because those magazines aren't cheap. So I was going to go visit one of my friends, and there's an Ollie's en route that way on a major boulevard, and I said, well, they're not too far. Let me just stop and see. Which Ollie's is one of those stores that's, hit or miss, whatever. But I just stopped because I never go there because it's not one near my house. But they had this Nina White 80 pound. So again, this is 80 pound, 216 gems. 50 sheet, 11 by 17, and it is more like a vanilla, color. I'm trying to see under the sticker what it says. No, just as basic. But it was $3.99, and he said I picked up for 11 by 17. My thought was like, you were doing those purse tabs or something, and I have some like 9 by 12 embossing folders, and so perfect. I don't have a 12 by 12 printer or anything, but this would be great to just, you can make this into cardstock and stuff again for cards, whatever. It's 80 pounds, because it's hard to get, 12 by 12s unless you order them online in 110 pounds, because they don't carry them in the stores. At least I haven't seen them in any of the stores, the Joann's or Michael's, or even AC Moore's. They never carry the 110. If they do, they must be gone every single time I go. But anyway, so this was 80 pounds, so that was the next best thing, but the size of it was just really nice. So definitely can cut this up and use this in so many multiple ways. So just nice to have some thicker, longer size cardstock versus the 65 pound. Then I went to, and then also this came from there as well. I thought I would get it for myself and or my grandson if they're not any good for me. $5. I googled it real quick, and it was fine for the price. It was actually pretty good. It had good ratings. I know it's not going to be high quality, I'm sure, but, as long as I'm not necessarily a colorist, but I like the variety of having extra colors. But I saw a couple of good reviews. I watched the video, only watched one, but he was impressed with the $5. So I thought I'd get it for 50. And again, like if I don't like them, my grandson, I'm trying to get him to use color. All he does when he draws, he only uses a black Sharpie. I don't care how many color markers and crayons. I keep trying to get him to use other colors. Every now and then he'll put a little red. Once or twice he did yellow, but he always goes back to just black, black, black. All of his drawings. So I'm like, use some colors sometime. Anyway, I digress. But I did pick this up. These little die cuts from Capital Chic, and from Michael's, of course. 34 pieces. I just thought I could use some of the ephemera, just in case you hadn't seen it. I don't think the stickers on the back. I think they're just die cuts. Whatever's an adventure. I thought she was cute, that little girl. Anyway, so I did get that, and of course I used my little 20% off coupon. So they got all different women in different body sizes and things like that in here too, and skin tone. So cool. So yes, oh, they are die cut stickers, so they are stickers. I thought so. So I thought I could use them on projects, and they were like $4.99 with 20% off. $4.99 with 20% off. Then I went to TM, and I thought I'd try a face shield instead of a mask. I don't know. Is anybody use a face shield you have? Let me know, see if you like it or not. But it says you can wear this with glasses, anti-fog, and all this different stuff, ergonomic, minimalist. Some people tell me they like them better than the mask because you can breathe. Detachable nose piece allows shield to be worn over glasses, and UV protection. It was $7.99. Can be also worn with a face mask if you choose to. So I don't know. I thought I'd try it. You know, I'm sure it could break, but you know. But anyway, let's see. I keep forgetting to wear it. But I've had this haul. It's been over 2 weeks. Like someone mixed and matched for the last 2 weeks. This is on clearance. I think I may have this already, but I just picked it up just in case. And this is just a, you know, it was on sale, clearance. But it's just a fruit from Momentum. It says you're the sweetest, just for you. And hello, I think something, hello fruit or something under there. I don't know you've seen that by now. This is on clearance as well. It's just another border die. I'm not into luck or anything like that. I just looked at it as a flower. It's a shamrock. So I got it because it's a 12 by 12. If you use it on layout or something. I got that. Then I got some paper, and no, I didn't need any of it. I'm still on the fence, so I may try to decide I'm gonna take it back or not. But this was a soccer collection. My daughter she was really good in soccer. You know, she plays soccer, you know, indoor, outdoor, sand, select, advanced, you know, traveling, blah 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 blah. Every kind of soccer. Whew, and soccer moms, yeah. And so if you've been there, you know what I'm talking about. My middle son plays soccer as well. He was really, really good at it. And, but he preferred football. But he played both. But he really should have stayed in soccer. But his heart was with football, but he was a better soccer player. I mean, people just call him Pele. That's how good he was. He wanted to put his efforts in it. He wanted to be like his dad, be a football player. So anyway, this is, that collection. So I'm debating if I'm keep it, only because there's nothing wrong with it. I don't know. I don't really need that much paper right now because I've got some on order. But I still may keep it because I love those sports layouts. They did nothing but play sports when they were kids. Back to back. So same thing with this one. Now my grandson, none of my kids played baseball, but my grandson, he played it twice. Of course, he was little, like 3 and 4 or 5, something like that. I think he played at 3 and he played it again at 5. So, I don't know if I need this whole set, but this set, it was one of the pricey ones. But it does have the 12 by 12, and it came with the solids. So you have 6 solids, 12 by 12. So you got 18 sheets of paper, 2 ephemera, and 1 sticker sheet. And I'm just deciding, do I need all that for baseball? Do I have that many layouts? I probably do, because I did take a lot of pictures. I take a million pictures. But I may keep it. I probably will, knowing me. I don't know why I'm acting like I'm going to take it back. This was on clearance. I just got it because, you know, it's on clearance. I thought I could make some cute little cowboy stuff. Western type of layouts, maybe. I got a good price on it. Like $3 or something because I had got an extra. I just forgot to show this one, but I showed the other one that I got 2 weeks ago. Yeah, so I got that one. Because you can also cut that paper up, and you don't have to use it for that theme, but you can cut the paper up and do different things with it. This, I don't know if I'm going to keep, but what I decided to do is authentique. Authentique. And these are seasonal solids. I was going to look at some of my Authentique pads and see if any of these solids match those pads. Then I can use them, you know, for layouts or whatever. But if they don't, then I have to take it back. I'm noticing I see months of the year up here. Sorry about that. That's what I thought. This is December. This is January. February. So, oh, okay. I know I have months associated with each one. April is pink. I didn't know April was a pink month. May is orange. Okay. But anyway, I was going through these colors to see if they match any of the Authentique kits that I have or paper pads, which I have quite a few. So I imagine some of it should. If so, I'll keep this so I have some coordinating papers, because these colors are not your traditional colors, and it's got that, I always call it like a thread look. I don't know, that's my vernacular, but I know what you would call it, but not quite solid. It's kind of slightly splotchy kind of a look. So if this matches my paper pads, I keep it. If not, I take it back. And then last but not least, I did find two of the Cardstock Crafter collection. So this one is, it says Crafter Collection, and again, they're not thick. I don't think there's, it doesn't feel like there's maybe 10 sheets in here. It's still at 25. It is really, really thin. So I'm going to take it loose, but I don't think it's, I mean, literally, unless they're really thin paper, maybe, I don't know. But anyway, it's got inspiration, handmade, hobby, create, let's draw. You know, you got your glue and your knitting and your painting and your inks and stuff, just different stuff that us crafters do. That's the A side and that's the B side. There's so many ideas and not enough time. And then this one again is Maker's Gonna Make. And on the back again is Crafter Collection. So here on this side you see you got your little loom, your embroidery loom, and scissors, some buttons and stuff. So this is kind of neutral. You can do a lot here. And then over here you got just your little icons. It says handmade. You got your sewing, kind of all your sewing stuff up here, and yeah. So I was hoping I could find some more, but like I said, it's just very thin. But anyway, I thought I could use this with some of my craft stamps and dies. So anyway, that is, I think I maybe have another haul with the Dollar Tree stuff. But other than that, I think that's it. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing, and I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.